Hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing a tour of this accordion book called 20 Days, 20 Faces. And it's really quite simply that. I took an accordion book that I made, which by the way, there is a link to that right below. And there's a list of my video tours that I've done. And I think the first one is on making an accordion book. If you want to look at that and make one of these, that's great. But anyway, this is called 20 Days, 20 Faces. And I just did one face each day for 20 days. And it was just to kind of play with some more skin tones, and I sort of enjoyed it. There's kind of some wacky looking people in here, actually. Some of them are rather scary looking. But I did have fun. Some of them I overworked a little bit, but that's all part of any process. Okay, so once I've made the book, which I said there is a video for below, and then I just draw in the faces, kind of sketch them in, a rough sketch of them on each one, and then just paint them. And this was with watercolor. You could use watercolor pencils or colored pencils or anything like that. I just decided it would be fun practice for the skin tones, and it was actually a lot of fun to do. This one is probably about, maybe 4.5 by 5 inches, something like that. I am going to go through a tour of this book, page by page. You kind of see the whole accordion effect. And I'm going to do page by page next, so you can see each one of them. And just pick a subject and go for it. I hope you have fun looking at what I've done. And there are really unlimited things you could pick as far as a theme goes for watercoloring and making a book like this. Again, you will find links below to my other videos on watercolor book tours, and the supply list below will have everything you need to make this, which is really quite simple. Well, making the book isn't simple, but the supply list is certainly simple. And I hope to catch you another time for another watercolor video tour. So stay tuned for a page by page.